Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we have something really exciting to unbox and test out: the Heyincar H1 Wireless Android Smart AI Box. This adapter is compatible with CarPlay, Android Auto, Android 11 and above, and even your car's original system. It's designed to bring the power of apps and services right into your car, making your driving experience more enjoyable. So, let's dive right into the unboxing. As we can see, the Heyincar H1 adapter is nestled inside. It has a sleek and compact design, and the build quality feels really solid. Also, along with the adapter, we have a quick start guide and 2 USB cables for connectivity. With our unboxing complete and a thorough look at the contents, let's delve into the essential functionalities offered by the Heyincar adapter. First off, as I said, it's compatible with CarPlay and Android Auto, giving you access to a wide range of apps and services. With Android 11 and above support, you'll have the latest features and enhancements at your fingertips. Plus, the adapter comes with 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of internal storage, so you can download and store your favorite apps directly on the device. One cool feature of the Heyincar H1 is the ability to insert a TF card and play movies or whatever you want directly from it. This is perfect for those long road trips when take a break and you want to enjoy some entertainment right from your car's display. Another great aspect of this adapter is its dual Bluetooth technology. It has Bluetooth 4.0 for fast transmission with external devices. And with Bluetooth 5.0, you can easily connect your phone. Alright, without further ado, let's head over to the car and take a closer look at how everything comes together. Now, let's proceed with the installation of the adapter and witness it in action. As previously mentioned, the installation process is as straightforward as plug and play. Simply insert the Heyincar H1 into your car's USB port. Upon plugging it in, a message may appear on the car's display, asking for your permission to establish the connection. Tap Continue to proceed with the process. Once you've completed this step, subsequently, the Android display will emerge, granting you access to a diverse array of apps. But apart from offline use, you can also establish a wireless connection with your mobile phone. To connect, click on the speed play icon to access the connection interface. Next, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your iPhone or Android phone. Search for the Bluetooth name displayed on the car screen in the Bluetooth list of your mobile phone. The device is typically named Smart AI Box. Once you locate it, tap to initiate pairing. Wait for the connection to establish successfully. Once connected, the wireless CarPlay/Android Auto will be functional. As observed, Android Auto has been activated, offering various applications such as YouTube Music and the capability to make calls. Of course, one of the essential driving apps is Google Maps. Now, let's return to the Heyincar device. Beyond offline functionality, the device supports online usage, requiring an internet connection. This can be achieved by connecting to a hotspot from your smartphone. To establish this connection, ensure that the internet and hotspot on your phone is enabled. Then, access the settings on your car display. Navigate to the Wi-Fi option from here. Proceed by enabling the Wi-Fi connection in your settings. Navigate to your Wi-Fi network and establish a connection. After establishing the connection, let's return to explore the applications and features directly on the car's display. To begin, we can take a look at Netflix, which offers a great option for a quick series or movie break while you're on the road. Unfortunately, I don't have a Netflix account, so I can't show it to you in more detail, but let's proceed to other features. Moving forward, we have the YouTube app, allowing you to watch your favorite videos and even enjoy some music. Additionally, my tutorials are easily accessible, providing added convenience right from your car. However, a standout feature for many is the Play Store. Let's delve into its capabilities. The Play Store empowers you to install any desired app and have it seamlessly accessible on your car's screen. Let's put this into action. For this demonstration, I'll install Amazon Prime. The process mirrors that of your smartphone, from search to installation. Behold, Amazon Prime now graces your car's display, inviting you to relish movies, series, music, and more. In summary, the Heyincar H1 Wireless Android 11.0 Smart AI Box stands as a fantastic addition to any vehicle. It harnesses the potential of apps, services, and the latest Android features right at your fingertips. Its sleek design, generous storage, and straightforward installation make it a compelling choice for enhancing your car's entertainment system. That concludes today's unboxing and review of the Heyincar H1 adapter. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.